everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm showing you guys the coupon inserts that are coming out this coming Sunday. It's going to be a great week. We're going to start the new year off with some bangs. Now some of you guys might get 2 to 4 to 6 inserts. It does vary for everybody, so just letting you guys know on that. But here is what they have for... Okay, here's what they have for Sunday, January 7th, 2018. So here's the smart source. Sorry if my camera is going out of focus. I don't know what is going on with it, but I'm just letting you guys know on that. But we got Airwick coupons, $1.25, 50% off, buy one, get one free. Airborne, Aquaphor, $1 off lip, $2 off baby, $3 off body. Bear Creek soup mix, we're getting Brita, filters, Carefree, Cheerios, 75 cents off of 2. Clairol, Colgate, $1 off of 1, so it's not the greatest, but hey, it's better than 50 cents. We got Cottonelle, $1 off of 1 flushable cloths, and then $1 off of 1 toilet paper, which there is a coupon on coupons.com that you guys can print off right away. We got Dentec Floss, which is a pretty good coupon. Sorry, this is a little blurry for you guys. I don't know what's going on with my camera right now. Depends, Dole, Dippers, Dole, Fruit Bowls, Ducal, Lax, Easy Off, 75 cents off of Easy Off. We get $2 off of Finish, dishwasher detergent, Gold Bond, $1.50, $1.50, $1, Hillsborough Coffee, Huggies, $1 off of 3 wipes, and $2 off of 1. I'm glad we're getting the $2 off of 1 Huggies diapers. I haven't seen those in a long time. 30 cents off of 1 for Kleenex. $1 off of 1 bundle. We're getting Lysol coupons. Okay, Ben, they don't really care. Lysol, 50 cents off a bathroom cleaner, disinfecting wipes, toilet bowl cleaner, toilet bowl, blah, blah, blah. $1 off a sanitizer. Mitchum deodorant, $1 off of 1. Okay, so the next thing we got is Mucinex, Nature Valley, Nivea, $1.50 off of 1 Silk Mousse body wash, $3 off of 2 body wash products. We're getting Philips, Sonicare, Playtex, $1 off of 1 Gentle Glide, Poise, $2 off of 1, $2 off of 1 Pomegranate, Progresso, 50 cents off of 2 Pull-Ups, $2 off of 1 Ragu, $1.25 off of 2. Refresh, Riddex, Rolaids. Chic Razors, $4 off of 1. That's a great coupon. Scott's, $1 off of 1. Scott's. Stay Free, $2 off of 2. Splenda, $2 off of 1. Viva, $1 off of 1. So there's going to be some awesome coupons, and that's just for one Smart Source. But remember, it does vary for everybody else. Smart Source 2, we get Afrin, Aleve, Bausch & Lomb, Bayer, BioTrue. I'm sorry, I'm just going to go through a lot of this stuff. But you guys can go to this website. The one website that I found is Sunday-paper-coupons.com, and then I just found the date. We're getting Dr. Scholl's, Flintstones, $4 off of 1, or One A Day Kids, $4 off of 1. That's good. Jergens, Miralax, Mr. Buttersworth, 1 a day for adults, $4 off of 1. Sorry, my kid's playing with his toy right next door. We're getting Rimmel coupons. It says buy one product, get one mascara for free, so that's a good coupon. Yardley soaps, $1 off of 4. So there's that. And then there's Smart Source 3. Bic razors, $1 off of 1 for pens. And then for the razors, it's buy one, get one free. Chips Ahoy, 75 cents off of 1. Chobani Greek yogurt, Del Monte, 75 cents. There is so many coupons. Energizer flashlights, $1. I know the I Bought a Deal did end, but hopefully maybe it comes back. Hydroclut, Ken's, we're getting Kotex, $2 off of 1. I love the Kotex $2 coupons. You can get some good free stuff. Nabisco, $1 off of 1. Rubbermaid containers, you know, $1.50 off of 1 or 3 off of 10 or something. I'm not sure what that is. Scrubbing Bubbles, Welch's. And this is the Red Plum. We're getting Abreva, all $1 off of 1. Angel Saw, 50 cents or $1. Aussie, $2 off of 2, $3 off of 3. Breathe Right, Cetaphil, DesignerJen, Herbal Essence, $3 off of 2. Nestle Water, so you got $1 off of 2. Newman's Own, Pantene, which we guys got better coupons in the P&G. Pure Benefil, Purina Cat Chow, Purina, Quilted Northern, $1.25 off of 1. Renews It's, buy 4, get 2 free. Reynolds Kitchen, Sensodyne, Stainmaster, Thermoflu, and Trimatic, and then Uncle Ben's. So a lot of coupons. Like I said, everybody's getting different inserts this time. This is like the beginning of the new year. So if you guys are thinking of going back to couponing, I would definitely try this week, because this week they got a lot of coupons. Advil, I see a 3 off of 1. Another Advil PM, 3 off of 1. Centrum, 4 off of 1. Centrum, there are some coupons on coupons.com for that. CeraVe, looks like $4 off of 1. Garnier Fructis, $3 off of 2, which is a pretty decent coupon. A lot of Garnier coupons. Garnier Whole Blends, $2 off of 1, which is awesome. L'Oreal, $5 off of 2. Maybelline New York makeup, $1 off of 1, $1 off of 1, $2 off of 2, or $2 off of 1. Then we got Orbit Gum, 50 cents off of 2 packs. That's awesome. Skittles, M&M's, Snickers. Those are great coupons. And then this is a Red Plum 3. This is probably the Unilever, so you guys are getting some Dove coupons. Knorr, Rohoto, Schwarzkopf, Simple, Ives, Pond's, Suave Kids, $1 off of 1. Suave Men, $1 off of 1. Suave Professionals, $1 off of 1. I like that. Tresemme, $3 off of 2. Vaseline, $2 off of 1. So those are some great coupons and no P&G. So it's going to be a great week on coupons. I highly recommend getting extra newspapers if you guys can do that. But you guys are more than welcome to check this website. All I do is just Google the inserts. So there's that. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Sorry it's a little blurry. I don't know what's going on with my camera. But I will see you guys all later. Bye-bye.